Welcome. In this video, we will create an online exam. To access examinations, click Menu. Then select Academics. Lastly, select Examinations on the far right. You are now within Examinations, which consists of 5 functions. And our first function of focus will be Online Exam. Furthermore, please note, Online Exam is the only used function under Exam, and the other functions are now performed by Gradebook as part of the new update. You are now within Online Exams. This too has 5 functions, and we will start at New Online Exam. You are now within Online Exam, and this is where we create an online exam. Firstly, give your exam a name. Next, select a start and end date, between which the exam can be completed. Next, fill in the maximum time in minutes. Next, we have end time. This setting has 2 options: variable and fixed. Variable, which allows the end time for each student to depend on the time they start the exam, and fixed, in which the exam will end at the given time, irrespective of the start time. Please note, students will still only have the recommended time to write. This does not allow unlimited time. Next, we have pass percentage. This is the required amount to pass the exam. Next, we have exam type. This can either be general or subject specific. We are now on general. With general, when selecting a class, all students within will be automatically included to write the exam, so this function is better used for exams that all students participate in, such as English or Maths. Furthermore, by pressing select next to a class, you can remove students from the participants list. This is helpful for rewrites and different subjects done by students. Next, we have subject specific. This function allows you to attach an exam to a specific subject for a specific class. Please note, with this option you can only select one class at a time. We have selected a class, and below are their corresponding subjects. Next, select the subjects this exam applies to. All students who are registered under this subject will be shown on the right. And in the case a student is not applicable to write, untick their name. Next, below select a class, we have exam format, which consists of 2 functions, objective and hybrid. Objective, which is the one currently selected, is for multiple choice tests and does not require an evaluator, and has the option to show results to the student after end time. Next, we have hybrid. This applies to exams that consist of multiple choice and paragraph answers. Secondly, it has the option to allow remarks and assign evaluators. Please note that hybrid is better suited for official exams. Lastly, we have question paper settings. This allows you to create a customized format for the exam. First, we have multiple correct answers. Enable this function if questions do not have an exact answer. Next, we have enable instructions. Select this function if you want to include the instructions on the exam paper. Next, we have 1 question per exam page. Select this option to separate questions per page. Next, we have custom numbering. Enable this function to customize the exam's numbering system and style. By selecting this, you also get access to the parameters under custom numbering. The first parameter is main question level, which is the main heading of a question, as in question 1. Next we have sub-question level 1. This refers to questions 1.1 and allows you to change the numbering style to alphabetic, numeric, or Roman numerals. Following we have subsection 2. This refers to the sub-question of a sub-question, example 1.1.2, and can also be either alphabetic, numeric, or Roman numerals. Next we have options. This refers to the numbering style of multiple choice questions, which can be either alphabetic, numeric, or Roman numerals. Next we have add question numbers independent of the section. Enabling this, the numbering would start from section 1 and continue till the last section, otherwise numbering would start from 1 for each section. Lastly we have randomize. This function allows you to randomize questions and layouts, so students do not have the ability to share information during an exam. Firstly, under randomize we have sections. Selecting this will enable sections to come in a random order for every student. Then we have main question level 1. By selecting this, the main question of each section will come in random order for every student. Next we have sub-question level 1. By selecting this, the sub-question of level 1 will come in random order for every student. Then we have sub-question level 2. By selecting this, the sub-question of level 2 will come in random order for every student. Lastly we have options. By enabling this function, multiple choice answers will come in a random order for each student. Thanks for watching. ProSum Solutions, technology that works.